After exploring the Grand Terrace Suite, let's step inside another level of luxury. Deluxe Penthouse Ocean Suite 10005. The impressive bathroom has heated floors, wall-to-wall mirrors, and countertops. This suite has a bathtub, while other deluxe penthouses may feature a walk-in shower only. The walk-in closet is separate and across the room, and it's where you'll find your plush robes, slippers, and a Dyson Supersonic hairdryer. The bedroom boasts a bespoke king-size bed and fine linens, with all the same features as your other suites. Deluxe penthouses range from 517 to 657 square feet and comfortably accommodates up to 3 adults or 2 adults and a child. Notice the abundant natural light flooding the stylish living space. There's a dining area for 4, a comfortable lounge, and some suites even feature a dedicated workspace. And of course, that expansive oceanfront terrace with a daybed and dining area is perfect for enjoying the views. Like all EXPLORA Journey suites, the Deluxe Penthouse is packed with amenities: a welcome bottle of champagne, a personalized minibar, an espresso machine, and even a techno gym fitness kit. You'll also find binoculars for those ocean views and a refillable water bottle. Ideal for entertaining or simply relaxing, this suite offers a spacious and elegant retreat. This was a quick tour of Deluxe Penthouse Ocean Suite 10005. Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.